Today we have a Mitsubishi 3000 GT stereo in the shop. We've been asked to put a video together for decoding the radio. First we're going to power it up on the bench and get the backlight to come on, and we're going to push the radio on to say code. The specific code for this radio is 9050. This process is similar to many older Volkswagen and Audi stereos, but the first digit is 9, so we're going to start with preset number 1 to give us digit 9. We're going to press it once, it will give us a 0. We're going to press it till it becomes a 9. Now the second digit is a 0, so we're going to go to preset number 2, press preset number 2, it gives us our 0. The third digit is a 5, we're going to go to preset number 3 and press this till this is a 5. The last digit is a 0, which would be the fourth digit, so we're going to use the number 4 preset. That will give us our radio code, and in order to turn the radio on, we have to push the tape button, and we get our radio on and set to go. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.